Hello children, I'm really glad to meet all of you today. In today's English class, we're going to have a revision of Prose 1, The Trick Robot. Come, let's get into the class. Now, let's read Prose 1, The Trick Robot. Vicky was a lazy boy. He never did his homework on time. He never kept his thing back in the right place. He pleaded to his father to buy him a robot to do his work. Vicky's father wanted him to become an active boy, so he bought him a trick robot. Vicky did not know that it was a trick robot. He was glad to have a robot to do all his work. So children, who is the main character of this lesson? It is Vicky. He was a lazy boy and he does not do his work on proper time. He asks his father to buy him a robot so that it can do all his work. But his father wanted him to be an active boy. So he got him a trick robot. Let's see what happens after the trick robot comes. Here is the first scene. Here the father says, "Vicky, I have bought you a robot. This intelligent robot will do all your work. Enjoy." Hey children, I am the trick robot. I am here to teach Vicky the lazy boy a lesson. Come, I'll show you how I'm going to make Vicky to realize his mistake. Here is the next scene. You can see Vicky lying on the sofa and he asks the robot, "I am hungry. Cook some salad for me." And you can see the robot replying, "I do not eat salad, so I cannot make the salad." And here is the next scene. Vicky scolds the robot saying, "What? You are a robot. You cannot refuse me. Clean my room now." And here the robot replies, "Do you want me to strain my back? I cannot do that." So from this part of the lesson, you can understand that this robot does not obey Vicky. Vicky is very lazy and he wants this robot to do all his work. And let's see what happens next. In this scene, you can see Vicky lying on the sofa and asking the robot something. Let's see what it is asking. "Ah, I have a headache now. Get me a cup of hot tea." Let's see what is the robot replying. "My battery is draining by listening to you. First, you charge my battery." So from this scene, you must have understood the robot is not ready to do any work Vicky is asking for. Do you remember what type of robot it is? Yes, it is a trick robot. It is trying to teach Vicky a lesson. Now let's see what is the next scene. Vicky is getting very angry on this robot and he is shouting, "I am tired of you. Play me a pleasant song. I want to relax." And let's see what is his robot replying. "That's a great idea. Why don't you play me one?" So in this scene also, the robot is not ready to do anything Vicky is asking. Instead, he is asking Vicky to play him a song. Vicky gets extremely angry and he shouts, "Oh no, Dad, please sell this robot. It is totally useless." Let's see what does the robot reply. "Yes, this time please sell me to an active master. I don't want to work for lazy people." So from this scene you must have understood that the robot is pointing out Vicky as a lazy person and he does not want to work for him. Let's see what happens next. Vicky tells the robot, "Really? Is that why you did not help me?" And finally Vicky has understood that he is lazy and he kept relying on the robot for doing his work. So he decided, "No more robots for me. I will do all the work for myself. First, I'm going to teach you the glossary of the prose, a world with robots. Here is the first word. Plead, request. The meaning of the word plead is asking something in a humble way. I'll teach you with an example so that you can understand the word even better. My grandfather pleaded me to help him in cleaning the lawn. So grandfather needed some help. So he pleaded, he asked in a humble way to help him to clean the lawn. Here is the next word. Refuse, which means disagree or reject. You do not agree to something. I'll give you an example here. Sarah refused to play with us. Sarah did not want to play with them, so she disagreed. Here is the next word. Pleasant, happy. Here is the example. We had a pleasant time walking around the lawn. So I hope you understood the words and the meanings of this prose. So we have revised prose 1, the trick robot. Let's see what is today's homework. I want all of you to take out your English textbook and open to page number 81. You can find A subdivision, choose the correct option, and B subdivision, read the statement and write true or false. I want you all to try this exercise on your own. So children, we have come to the end of the class. We have devised prose 1, the trick robot, and on this lesson you have a Kahoot that you need to play today. Hope all of you will score good marks. Thank you.